This is one beefy machine. Do you have a forgetful memory like me? A brain the size of a goldfish? Well, have no fear because NordPass is here. NordPass is a password manager that stores all of your passwords, credit card details, and personal information for simple autofill access to your favorite sites and easy checkout on those awesome Christmas deals. To begin, you can either import your saved passwords or add a login you wish to remember. NordPass can even auto-generate secure passwords for you. Not even NordPass themselves can see it. Another cool feature is that your account syncs across all devices. NordPass is completely free, but if you want to take advantage of their awesome features, we have a special 70% off promotion for their premium plan. For just $1.49 per month, you can sign up for their 2-year plan and get 1 month absolutely free. Why not give it a go? So stop trying to remember those passwords and let NordPass do it for you. To sign up, visit nordpass.com/IFR or visit the link in the video description. Once again, a big thank you to NordPass for sponsoring this video. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this build. This is an absolute pleasure of a case to build in. The cooling from the flux design from Antec goes right into the GPU, keeps those temperatures nice and cool. During our benchmarks, we were seeing amazing temperatures, so I was absolutely happy to build in this case. Now, as always, if you want to know the specs of the hardware that we used in this build, I'll leave those in the description for you guys to check out. Inside this system, we have an MSI B550 Tomahawk motherboard, and we've paired this up with the AMD Ryzen 9 3900 XT. We've also got some G.Skill Trident Z RGB RAM inside, and that is set to blue. And then we've got the beefy MSI RTX 3090 Gaming X Trio. Now this case is the Antec DP502 case. As I said, it's got that flux design, which brings cold air from the back through the power supply shroud and up straight into the GPU, and so the GPU fans can get all that fresh air inside and keep it nice and cool. And the particular fans that we have cooling this case are the Antec Prizm RGB fans. For the cooling, we went with the Thermaltake W7 water block. That is an RGB water block, their first clear one apart from the W3. And we paired that up with some Bitspower Touch Aqua gear, the same company. Both brands are owned by the same company. And we actually use a two-tone fitting, so they're silver and black. Now for this pattern that we made on the acrylic panel, we actually kind of copied the front of the case. It's got these sort of slots here, obviously not as wide, but we wanted to take that concept and bring it to the front as well, just to give it a unique appearance and design. Now, as you guys know, this is just a display build, but I do hope you enjoyed the benchmarks that we did do for you guys. This case will be getting taken apart pretty much tomorrow. Anyway guys, that about does it for this video. Links to the hardware will be in the description. I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like, consider subscribing, check out more videos on the channel. If you would like to support us, become a Patreon member or a YouTube channel member. It helps us afford things like this. The acrylic, the paint, the materials that we use. We couldn't do that without you guys. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.